Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum my all YouTube family. Welcome to our YouTube channel Decoration Master, where we bring you creative ideas for transforming your bedroom into a cozy and stylish sanctuary. In today's videos, we will be sharing 5 inspiring bedroom decor ideas that will help you create the perfect retreat for relaxations and rejuvenations. So let's get started. Ideas number 1. Screen minimalism. Embrace the beauty of simplicity by adopting a minimalist approach to your bedroom decor. Opt for clean lines, natural colors, palettes, and clutter-free spaces. Choose aesthetically furniture pieces that serve both functional and aesthetic purposes. Keep the room uncultured and use clever storage solutions to maintain a serene and triangular atmospheres. Embarrass sticks. Infuse your bedroom with vehemence calm by incorporating vibrant colors, intricate patterns, and a mix of textures. Add decorative tapestries, throws, pillows, and rugs with elements such as writing or macaroni to create a relaxed and electric vibe. Do not forget to include cozy sitting areas and soft lighting to complete the boho looks. Coaster escapes. Create a beach-inspired retreat in your bedroom with a coaster decorative themes. Choose a color palette inspired by the ocean, such as soft blues, sandy naturals, and crisp vibes. Incorporates natural materials like rattan, chords, and dartboard. Add nautical accents like sea eagles, ropes, and cords, or a touch of seaside charms. Complete the look with breezy curtains and light, airy bedding. Glamorous elegance. Element your bedroom with a touch of glamorous and sophisticated with a touch of glamorous. Opt for luxurious fabrics such as velvet or silk and rich colors like deep purples or metal tones. Incorporating statement pieces like a tufted headboard or choose earthy tones like greenery, bronze, and muted naturals. Use natural materials such as bamboo, wood, and stones to bring sense of serenity. Add indoor plants for a touch of freshness and incorporate soothing elements like a water feature or a